In the context of my own work, one of the things that I have been endlessly fascinated by is the lingering iconography of the frontier, representations of space that resonate with like ideas of manifest destiny.
And tell us about how you think of the frontier and what is manifest destiny applied to the stars.
So manifest destiny sort of emerged from this famous lecture that Frederick Jackson Turner gave in the 19th century about the closing of the frontier.
The American frontier and going west. And
Yeah, exactly. That there was something about this engagement with the rugged that was fundamental to this nascent democratic project. And I think that in many ways, many depictions of outer space have sort of embraced this format of like, oh, okay, well then the outer space is the natural continuation of that.
So we've conquered the West and now we're going to conquer the stars.
Right. You have the emergence of the Western, which becomes an internationally legible trope for people. It's sort of characterized by these like dry, arid landscapes that have this very visible geology, right? And coincidentally, that's something that becomes really useful for, people who are trying to depict the geology of alien planets, right? For many of the illustrators in this story, the thing that makes it easier to produce realistic-looking depictions of the space environment is to go and observe it with the naked eye. But since you cannot physically go to these places, the best approximation is the West, simply by virtue of the fact that so much of it is not covered by grass or trees or cities.